always asked me, what does it feel like to be able to make money by signing up? My answer has always been the same. It feels amazing. Today, I'm finally going to be sharing my secret with you guys and the secret to get all these payment notifications all at once. So hear me out and click on... What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our first app is called InstaGc.com, but before we really dive into the money making process, I want you to look over here on their Facebook page. And as you can see, InstaGc is very transparent because they show you all of these payments that they've sent out to their users through PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal, you can easily get paid through gift cards and direct deposit. So no problem there at all. By the way, this app works on Android devices and iOS devices, so you have no problem at all. There's no hassle whatsoever to download the app. And now going back to the app from the Facebook page, you're gonna get paid, as you can see, by doing the things that you already do online, like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and going through or exploring the web. But what I recommend the most is that you watch videos when you can find that right here, because this one actually pays the most money out of all of the options that they offer. And to be able to earn a lot of money from this specific category, all you have to do is open a lot of videos all at the same time. You can even take surveys while those videos are playing. And in that way, you can make so much money. And not a lot of people know about this strategy because they think that they're gonna have to do things one at a time. But if you're smart and if you watch today's video, you're gonna know that you can do all of this at once, which means you're gonna be making tons and tons of money all at once using the different tabs and different strategies. Now, to get free points, you can actually link your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Google to sign up, or you can fill out the required information manually. Now, going on to the second app on our list, which is called appkarma.io. This is an amazing app. It allows you to make money just to install and use it. It's free 100%, and it doesn't need any payment or investments. There are no hidden fees, and you can also download this on both your Android and iOS devices. Now, the greatest part about this is that all you have to do is install and sign up, and then you're going to receive 300 bonus points for completely free. Just to sign up. And you have to remember that 100 points is equal to $1. So with 300 points, you get $3. That's the easiest $3 that I've ever earned and that you're gonna earn in your entire app or in your entire life. And this app is literally giving out money just to log in and download. Now, if you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Another option that you can make money with this app is through their referral program. Now, when someone you refer earns a certain amount of money, you're going to get a share of their earnings for life. It's just a way to make money while you sleep, while you're sitting around waiting for them to make money. You're literally making other people work for you. It's such a cool thing. And another cool thing, which is probably the coolest thing about this program, is that it allows you to make money just by logging in every single day. As you can see here, this app rewards you for simply logging in and completing tasks. You're also going to be able to boost your level and earn badges by completing certain app karma tasks, which will give you even a higher reward level. So, simply gain these badges to improve your earning potential with this app. Moving on to our third app, which is Cashkick.com, and this app is going to pay you real cold cash through PayPal or bank transfer. Now, it has the same features, same stuff like InstaGc, but Cashkick actually pays you more. And if you can see here, they provide the same services of InstaGc. Therefore, you can use this the same way as InstaGc, but to really make the most amount of money, again, you are going to be focusing on watching videos. And you can also do this on multiple tabs. Plus, while those videos are playing, you can answer surveys at the same time. In that way, making money in the best possible manner. Now, to sign up, you're going to fill out the information that they're asking of you so you can get started on your brand new account. Just like that, you can start earning today. So now we're going to move on to our fourth app, and it's called superpay.me, and this app gives out free paid surveys that can make you a lot of money in the smallest amount of time, because their payment is only a day. They will pay you within a day, literally. It's safe, it's reliable, it's legit, and it's trusted. As a result, you're going to be able to receive your earnings in just a day of waiting. They even have very low cash out threshold, which means you don't need to reach a high amount just to be able to cash out the money that you've earned. Now, when you join this app, you're going to receive a welcome bonus. And this is a great welcome bonus, okay? Now, as you can see, they've paid out a lot of money to a lot of people all over the world. And this app is basically very easy to understand. All you have to do is respond to surveys. And what we love the most about this app is that they're very open and transparent, especially when it comes to their payouts. Now, you're going to see these worldwide payouts made, and all you have to do to be able to be part of this list is to sign up. So you're going to sign up on this app. You're going to click on here and provide them with all of the information that they asked of you, and to get your money making account started once you're done with that. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And moving on to our fifth app, which is called SmartApp.io, which is also available on any device to download. All you have to do is simply log into the app and you're gonna make some money. Now, if you can see here, there are reviews about how this software works. They've given all positive reviews, all positive ratings. And to be able to join in the Smart App project, all you have to do is sign up for a free account and complete a survey. After that, you're gonna download the app and you're gonna start making money. Just to sign up and log into this app every day, as I've said in the past 4, 5, or 3 apps, that's literally all you have to do to start making money. Sign up, log in, make money. Sign up, log in, make money. That's really it. Now, to sign up, you're going to click on this button right here. You're going to answer a few questions, provide some basic information, and that's it. A new income stream for you passively. Overall, these are all great opportunities for you to grab in order to make some money online. It's very easy and everything works the same. There's no skills needed, no experience is needed. It's super easy. All you have to do is watch videos, take surveys, log in, download. That's it. I can guarantee you these apps are working 100% and they make a really decent amount of money. And if you combine them all together, you're going to be making up to $100 or more every single day. Make sure you're consistent, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.